In this video, you will learn how to upload image on Deepseek AI. To get started, first open up the Deepseek app on your device. Ensure that you are signed into your account. Once you're logged in, look for the plus button located at the right side of your screen. Tapping this button will reveal several options for uploading images. Photo OCR. This option allows you to take a photo using your device's camera right now. Image OCR. With this choice, you can upload an image directly from your gallery or camera roll. Document. If you have a document you'd like to upload instead, this option is available as well. Choose whichever method suits your needs best. Once you've selected the desired photo, tap Add. After tapping Add, wait for a moment as Deepseek uploads your image. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.